Seeing the popularity of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip series, other companies are also showing interest in launching flip phones. Now, OPPO has announced that its new OPPO Find N2 Flip clamshell-like foldable smartphone will be released in India and globally on February 15. In India, OPPO Find N2 Flip will directly compete with Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, which costs Rs 82,999. This will be the first major launch of OPPO after the OPPO Reno 8T. The company has launched Find N2 Flip in China in December 2022. The poster reveals that the Find N2 Flip will be available in pink and black colors. The Find N2 Flip has a white cover screen with a vertical orientation, unlike the Galaxy Z Flip 4, which has a cover screen in horizontal format. OPPO Find N2 Flip will get a 6.8-inch unfolded FHD plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. On the outside, there will be a 3.62-inch display with 60Hz refresh rate. The phone will be powered by the octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus SoC. You can get 16GB RAM and 512GB storage with the phone. The Find N2 Flip China model has a 50-megapixel primary camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. When unfolded, users can use a 32-megapixel camera for selfies. Other key features include 5G, a 4300 mAh dual-cell battery with 44-watt super VOOC charging, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. To recall, the OPPO Find N2 Flip was launched in China with a starting price of CNY 5,999, which roughly translates to 71,000 rupees in India for 8GB plus 256GB storage. Thanks for watching. Good luck.